Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about on how you can fix if your INIU portable charger is not charging and what you can do to fix this issue. So the first thing that you can try to do is you're just going to have like the same cable, put it into both ports. This is the first thing that you can try, but it's a little bit complicated if you don't have the cable. But the second thing that you can try, maybe this is going to work out. So what you want to do is you just want to press and hold the power button for about 16 to 20 seconds. And maybe this is going to fix the issue about the charging, or you have just faulty product, who knows, but you can just try it out. So you're gonna press the power button 16 to 20 seconds and you're gonna hold it. It's going to reset and maybe then you can charge it. So let me down below in the comments if it's going to actually help you or no, and I'm curious about your answer for that problem, and if it helped you, or if you find a different way how to fix this issue, also share it down below in the comments so that other people would come here, they would get also the help to solve this. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.